Hello there, welcome back to another decor tutorial. In this video, I'll show you how I made these glitter carousel horse centerpieces. This centerpiece is so versatile. You can do them in any color. You can add flowers to the base like shown here. You can change the pole color. You can do a unicorn instead of a horse. You can do any other animal. I've even done this in a teddy bear. Here are some of the materials I used. You're going to need a paintbrush, some scissors, wooden dowels, and they have to be 3/4 of an inch, and 2 of the same kind of straws. A glue gun, of course, extra glue sticks, and a round foam base for the bottom of your carousel. You'll need craft foam in the color of your choice. I chose matte craft foam, but you do have the option of purchasing glitter foam. You'll also need a small 2-inch styrofoam ball. I chose the pink floral straws for this tutorial. Now for the horse cutout. I cut mine out in my Cricut machine. If you don't have a machine, what you can do is cut out a clip art of a horse or a unicorn or whatever you want to use, and trace that printout on your foam and cut it out using an X-Acto knife for the intricate parts of the cutout. So for each one centerpiece, you'll need 2 cutouts. So what you do is you'll take your wooden dowel and you'll stick 1 through 2 straws. So now you take your first horse, and right down the middle, you're going to add a strip of glue. And you'll kind of use where the 2 straws meet as a guide and center it right at the middle of where the glue line is. Now lay that part flat, and now you're going to add the other side of the horse onto the top of the straw. Now you're going to take your other horse and put it on top of that, and you're going to align it all together before gluing. Make sure everything lines up, and then glue piece by piece. So you'll do the head first, and then you move on section by section. Now keep in mind, you can go an easier route. You can purchase craft foam that's already sticky on one side. That's the sticker craft foam. You can also do that and just stick both sides together, but I prefer to do it this way. Here I'm just gluing section by section until the entire horse is stick together onto the pole. Now that the entire thing is glued together, you'll move on to the next step, which is adding the foam ball to the top. So take your foam ball, and what you're going to do is add a small little hole with the glue gun itself, add a little bit of glue to the hole, and then attach that to the top of your pole. I like to add a little bit of glue to where the pole meets the ball. And it should look like this when you're done. So now you want to attach the horse to the stand. So what you'll do is find the center of the stand and punch a little hole with the glue gun and add a little bit of glue to it. And now you should be able to punch the pole into the stand, not all the way through. Be careful not to punch it all the way through, but enough where it can stand on its own, and add a little bit of glue where the pole meets the stand. Now here comes the fun part. That's right, glitter all day. And it looks like I was having a little bit too much fun with the glitter because I neglected to hit the record button. But all you do is just add glitter to the ball, the horse, and the stand. Basically every part of the horse except for the pole. I'm not worried about y'all. I know you guys know how to glitter. Add some glue, throw some glitter on there. You've all done it. So after you're done with the glitter, it should look like this. And with the coarse glitter, I always seal it. I just dilute a little bit of Mod Podge with some water, and I seal the glitter areas with that solution and let it dry. I went with a pink bow, a pink tulle bow with this. Like I said, you can use any type of bow you'd like. It could be a ribbon bow, a fabric bow, a pattern bow, or even flowers or pearls, up to you. So what you'll do is just add a little bit of glue to the middle part of the ribbon or the tulle bow, and stick it right on to the middle where the pole is. And after that, you are done. Your carousel centerpiece is complete. You can display this at your carousel theme party's dessert table or on the guest table as a centerpiece. You can stick flowers into the foam bottom. I mean, there are so many possibilities to display this, and I hope it was easy to follow along. I hope you enjoyed the tutorial, and please come back for my next video. Thanks for watching. Bye.